In this video, I'd like us to cover some very simple question on algebra, but in this case we have fractions. Now let us look at the first one. 2 over 3x plus 2 over 5y minus 4 over 3x minus y all over 5. Now the first step I need to go or do is to collect the like terms together. So I have the x and the x, y and y. So I collect x separately and y separately and join them with a sign. Now in the first one I have 2 all over 3 x, then I take this one with its sign minus 4 all over 3 x, then I take 2 over 5 y with the sign plus 2 all over 5 y, then I take this other one. Whenever I am given y all over 5, y all over 5 is the same as y times 1 all over 5, or rather I can just write it as 1 all over 5 y. So all these are just same things. So this one I can write it as minus 1 all over 5 y, so that we can easily or clearly see. So just from our primary school knowledge, whenever I have 2 all over 3 minus 4 all over 3, the LCM are the same, so I just look at the numerator. So 2 minus 4 gives me negative 2. So I'll have negative 2 all over 3x. Then when I have positive 2, we still have the same numbers under the denominator. Positive 2 minus 1 is just equal to 1. So I'll have positive 1 all over 5y. So 2 minus 1 gives me a positive value, but 2 minus 4 gives me a negative value. This one is small, but this one is bigger. So when I subtract them, I have a negative value. So that is how I'll handle part A. Now let's try to handle part B. First and foremost, I collect the like terms. So I'll have negative t all over 9 minus this one, t all over 3 plus 5 all over 6k. So how do I do it? Similarly, as I said earlier in the first question, this one I can also rewrite it as negative 1 all over 9t minus 1 all over 3t plus 5 all over 6k. So these one are of different denominators. So what do? I find the LCM of 9 and 3. And how do I find the LCM? I just write 9, 3. So I start with the least number. 3 goes into 9 3 times, 3 goes into 3, 1 times 3 again goes into 3, 1. This one is 1. Therefore the LCM will be 3 times 3, which is equivalent to 9. So the LCM of 9 and 3 is just 9. So when I write the LCM 9 goes into 9 how many times? 1 times. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. Then I'll subtract. 3 goes into 9 how many times? 3 times. 3 times 1 gives me 3. So all of them, keep it in mind, we have the unknown term or value t. So when I subtract this one, I'll have negative 1 minus 3 gives me negative 4 all over 9. So negative 1 all over 9t minus 1 all over 3t will give me negative 4 all over 9t. Then I add 5 all over 6k. So this is how simply we handle question 8b. So in case you have any further questions, you can leave on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe on the videos. Bye.